Summary of The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. Jeff Olson's The Slight Edge is a transformative guide to achieving success by harnessing the power of small, consistent actions. The book emphasizes that success and failure are not the result of grand moments, but rather the cumulative effect of daily habits and choices. Olson introduces a philosophy that applies to all areas of life, including personal development, health, finances, and relationships. First, small choices, big results. The core concept of the slight edge is that the small, seemingly insignificant choices you make every day shape your future. These choices are easy to do, but equally easy not to do. Over time, these small actions compound, leading to extraordinary success, or, conversely, to failure. The things that are easy to do are also easy not to do. Second, the power of consistency. Olson explains that consistent effort, even in tiny increments, creates momentum. He compares this to a water pump. At first, it takes a lot of energy to get the water flowing, but once it starts, it becomes much easier to maintain the flow. The same principle applies to building habits, achieving goals, and transforming your life. Third, the success curve versus the failure curve. According to Olson, everyone is on one of two curves. The success curve. This is the path of positive daily actions that compound over time. The failure curve. This is the path of neglecting small actions, leading to negative consequences over time. Both curves start off looking similar, but their trajectories diverge dramatically as time goes on. The key is to stay on the success curve by making better choices each day. Fourth, master the mundane. Success is not about dramatic breakthroughs, but about mastering the mundane tasks that others overlook. These tasks include reading for personal growth, saving a small portion of your income, exercising regularly, and maintaining strong relationships. They may seem trivial, but over time they make all the difference. Fifth, attitude is everything. Your mindset determines whether you embrace or reject the slight edge philosophy. A positive attitude allows you to see the long-term benefits of your actions, while a negative attitude can make it easy to dismiss their importance. Sixth, learn, apply, reflect. Olson highlights the importance of continual learning. However, learning alone is not enough. You must apply what you learn and reflect on your progress. This creates a feedback loop that accelerates growth and improvement. Seventh, time is your ally. The slight edge leverages the power of time. Small actions may not show immediate results, but given enough time, their impact can be profound. Olson urges readers to be patient and trust the process. There is no such thing as standing still. You are either improving or declining. Practical applications of the slight edge. First, health. Instead of aiming for instant results, focus on small, sustainable habits like drinking more water, walking daily, or eating slightly healthier meals. Second, wealth. Save a small percentage of your income consistently. Over time, even modest savings will grow into significant wealth. Third, personal growth. Read 10 pages of a book daily. Over the course of a year, this adds up to thousands of pages of valuable knowledge. Fourth, relationships. Make small gestures of kindness and appreciation regularly. These actions strengthen bonds and create lasting connections. Conclusion. The slight edge is a powerful reminder that success is not about massive leaps, but about taking small, purposeful steps every day. By embracing this philosophy and committing to consistent, positive actions, you can create the life you desire. The key is to start now, stay consistent, and trust in the compounding effect of your efforts. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal.